Hey guys, how are we doing today? This is Evangel Family and Recipes. Yes, today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my fish. Usually I buy this fish in bulk. I mean, when I say in bulk, sometimes I buy different types of fishes, and then I buy each of them like 5 kg, 7 kg, 10 kg even, but different types of Saudi fresh fish. Yes. So I just want to show you how I clean my fish and then prepare them and store them in the freezer for later use. Because I don't have the whole time in the world to be, watching fish all the time and cooking and all that. So I just make life a lot easier for me because I love to cook. So when I do it this way, I just stock them up in the freezer and then use them at will. Not starting from the scratch to clean and cook and all that. So this particular batch, I bought them during the weekdays. So I just degutted them, cut them into pieces, removed some of the fins and all that. But I didn't clean it properly the way I clean my fishes. So this is exactly why I'm doing this video, just to tell you how I take my time using my kitchen spray to clean up the fish, so that even when you want to use it to cook, it looks clean. And after cooking, I don't know whether it adds anything to the flavor or the taste, but I just feel great doing it this way. So I just try to cut off all the appendages, anything that is not meat that is on the body. I try to cut them off so that the skin will be as clean as possible. So let's continue to do this. Please guys, as you're watching, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. This is actually my cooking channel. Like I said, cooking is my hobby. If I wasn't a medical doctor, probably I would have been a very great chef. Yes, but I'm just a chef to my husband and my kids, and then families who visit from time to time, and friends also. So this is what I love to do at my spare time. I could cook from morning to night every time without getting tired. It's really fun for me, yes, and especially when I have people around to eat them. Yeah, so please do not forget to subscribe, like, share. This channel is not a new channel, but it's pretty much very small. I'm even yet to get to 1,000 subscribers. I think I still have like 100 and something subscribers on this channel. Please do help me by sharing these recipes I'm going to be putting on this channel. Thank you so much and continue watching. Now, there are some black things that you see within the guts of any fish. Yes, I don't really like seeing those things because I feel not just they look dirty, they also make your fish to taste bitter. I think so. So, whenever I'm cleaning my fish, I make sure I remove every bit of it. I don't like seeing them on my fish. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me get to know, what you feel. Yeah, do you buy your fish in bulk? Do you clean in bulk? Or do you just buy, stock into the fridge, and then clean at will? Whenever you want to use it. I know those in the Western world may not know exactly what I'm talking about because most of the fishes they buy are already prepped before buying them. But here in Saudi Arabia, if you want them to clean it for you, it's extra charges. So I prefer to save those little halal or reals and then do the needful by myself. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to do it by yourself, and you can wash it as many times as you want to be satisfied with whatever you have done. So, do you prefer to buy your fishes and clean them at the fish market or mall, or do you prefer to come home and clean them at home? Let me hear what you have to say. Yes, I wash as many times as possible. In fact, I wash till the water is clear. Yes, I'm very obsessed with that. I wash till the water is clear. And once the water is clear, I can now continue with the remaining stuff that I have to do. Maybe to marinate, fry, and stock up, or just tie them in smaller storage bags and then store them up in the freezer. So, how do you prep and freeze your fish or prepare your fish? Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and God bless you. I'll see you in my next. Thank you so much. Bye.